Okay, so I've been getting questions as to what the actual current condition is of the car, because on SmugMug the pictures show all kinds of various stages of the car. This is where it's at right now. I pretty much have everything except for the windshield, which was cracked, so I removed it. And while we're on that subject, let's see, I just cleaned this up a little bit so you can see it. There you go. Let's see. The window area looks like it's really clean. The car is from Pennsylvania, and you know, a little old man story, pretty much. I mean, 94,000 miles on it. I mean, you can tell by the original seats; they're in beautiful shape. I don't know if you want to really dig into the mileage thing. You know, you can look at the pedals. I'll try to take pictures of those, but it's real. It runs great, it shifts great. That being said, basically all I really did was drive it around the block a couple times because it doesn't have coolant, so really short runs because the water pump leaks. I've got a new water pump that comes with it. What I'm showing here is the rust in the floor. So this is the passenger side. All that is somebody used a jack on that side and did a little bit of damage and it started up. This is probably the worst over here. I do have pictures of that on SmugMug. For someone like me with a MIG welder, it's not a big deal. Also, this car right in this back quarter here had got bumped at one time, and they did a really crappy job of replacing that area, so I redid that. And at first I was going to make this blue, very close to the same color that it originally was, and then I went with the black. And basically what you see here is just leftover paint that I had left over, same brand as the black. It's called Kirker paint, and all I was doing here was using the different colors for body work. It tells you where your highs and lows are. The driver's side door had a rust spot just like that. It's been repaired. I have both doors in my basement and they're in great shape, just like this side is. You know, on the back sides, I could take pictures of the bottom lips. It's really a clean car. A lot of potential for the right person. I'm really tempted to part it out as far as like the seats go and a lot of the stuff that I wouldn't need, and then stick a VR6 or a TDI motor in it. I've got nice leather seats from a Beetle I just parted out. Then I've got my TDI Beetle waiting to be finished here. So got a lot on the burner right now, and it'd be nice to let some more go. There's a Beetle that I just parted out. There's really not a lot left to it, so this is about ready to go out of the yard. So that is the story on the Rabbit. I do have the bumpers and the grill up in my garage. I'm not going to bother pulling those out. They're in great shape. Same thing with the doors. The doors are in the basement. I believe I have those black already. The doors are black, but I'd have to double check it. You know, with a project of this caliber, it really doesn't matter whether they're black or not. Headliner's been ripped out. Naturally, they're all crappy. So, a bit of a project, but for the right person, I'd be jumping all over this. Thanks.